right, whatever. As long as
maneuvers around the defender and picks up a first down with his leg.
ain't no way. Ain't no way Carson slow ass Wentz is out here looking like Lamar fucking Jackson. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy RJ Wade back with another reaction video. Today we got Eagles, Vikings, week 7. Now, I'm an Eagles fan of this bitch, so I know we best not lose in front of me. After we lost to the Giants last week, had all these Giants fans hitting up my phone on some motherfucking bullshit. They haven't talked to me in fucking months. But when the Eagles lose to the Giants, all of a sudden, I'm their favorite contact. But whatever. But y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. More vids on the way. Going up all 2025 and 2026. Let's get it started. First vid up. When we talking about Jalen, hey, can we get our receivers the ball this week? Please. Can AJ, because AJ trying to get traded because you're not throwing him the ball for real, bro. We're 30 seconds into the game. How are we already tush pushing? How are we already tush pushing, bro? Yo, this play is fucking diabolical, bro. I got you. Let's go. And you know we got it, though. Ain't no way we didn't get it. Jalen bet you about 500. All right, second down. What we got? What we got, Jalen? Who the fuck is that? AJ Dillon? Who the fuck is that? That's Bigsby? Third and 13. What the fuck? No. Okay, we good. We good. 4th and 4. Who we got? Who we got, Jalen? Oh, we got all day in the pocket. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, this is what happens when you throw the best receiver in the league the ball. This is what I'm talking about. Throw 11 the ball. We got all day. We got all day. Can't throw. They can't guard him. Come on, man. They got to stop disrespecting AJ Brown, bro. Like he's not one of them ones. Come on, man. All right, I might have dragged it with the best receiver in the league, but he's top 5. Hey, go argue with your mom. AJ Brown is top 5 receiver in the league. Argue with your mom. They still got Carson playing? Is McCarthy still out? McCarthy still out? Yeah, they still got Wentz. Ain't no way. That's on Quinion? That's our best corner. That's our best corner. And this is the defense? He got our best corners getting cooked by their number 2 receiver like this. I don't know what to. I don't know how to react to that, bro. How much space can a motherfucker create? 3rd and 10. Let's stop him. Let's get it stopped. Yep. Yes. Yeah, we on that shit, Carson. We on all that shit, Carson. Hold up. Let me see that guy. I love to see this mental errors. You know what I'm saying? When it's against all the bullshit. We love to see that. We love this. We love this. Yeah, get Butterfingers. Yeah, center. The center with us. The center got a Eagles jersey on right now. The center with us. 4th and 32. Hell no. All right, that's cool. We cool off that. Oh, that's not a bad throw though. That's not a bad throw. Jalen. I like that. I like that attempt. There go Jettas. Yeah, I already expected. We not stopping him today. We not stopping him today. Hold on. Y'all said Chase, Puka, JSN, Amon Ra, and Jettas. AJ Brown better than JSN. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Crimpy! 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 We on that shit, Carson. You thought you could come back to Eagles Stadium. Oh wait, no, my fault. You thought you could play the Eagles? You used to play for us. You thought you could play us and we not gonna get back? Hell nah, we picking all that shit off. We on that shit. We on all that shit. You knew we was gonna do that, bro. You knew we was gonna do that. We on that shit, bro. It's gonna be a rough day for Carson, bro. There ain't no revenge game for you. It's not, no. That's not your body, bro. Thank you, sir. Come on, man. Pick 6. This is what I'm talking about. Let's put BTA. No. Today is a good day. Today is a great day. Ain't no way we lose this game. Ain't no way we losing this game.
The only defensive back for Philadelphia that has a pick.
3rd and 14.
Swings it out. And not a whole lot of room for Shipley. Isaiah Rodgers.
How do we get to a 3rd and 14 though? That's crazy.
He hasn't really had a chance to practice much in the last month plus.
Oh, it got closer?
Straight start today. It's been a
I didn't know.
last handful of plays. Let's see if that gets them back out. Speedy Naylor.
Speedy Naylor. Fuck Naylor.
The run game just isn't real explosive. Slings it for Jefferson.
Come on, minimal get. See.
Justin Jefferson still going down inside the 20.
Right here. Whoever missed this tackle, sub this nigga immediately. How? How you missed this tackle? Sub him out the game right now, bro. Damn. About to make me crash out. Like, we up. Let's not give them no momentum. Like, damn. The fuck?
Just make good decisions at quarterback. And
the fuck are we on, bro?
off the fake,
See, now they about to score. All because you can't tackle.
Take it to Mason. Flag is thrown. Ball is
Who the fuck is Naylor? Who's the flag on?
We'll check the penalty flag, though. This is coming back for a hold.
Who's the flag on? Yeah, bring that back. Yeah, take your 3. I'm fine with 3. They can have 3. Be good.
And he's coming in on blitz. Hurts flips it.
There go Goddard. How did we? Why do every time I see the Eagles with the ball, it's 3rd and fucking 55, bro? Like, we have Saquon. Just run it the first 2 plays. Like, what the fuck is we on?
Extra body coming for Philadelphia. Wentz slings Jefferson. First down.
So, how much? I want to know what Jettas did today. Because Carson Wentz only got 162 yards, but every time Jettas look like he's frying us. Come on, what the? Tackle him! You motherfucking. Alright, hold up. Whatever, I'm not even gonna go back. But if they got a completion off that, 97 would have had to get subbed, bro. He was right in his face, couldn't do shit. 2-minute drill. 2-minute drill, Jalen. 2-minute drill, Jalen. Oh yeah, it's Smitty. Get out of bounds. Bro, you could have got out of bounds. Timeout.
Be careful next time they don't double move him and run right by him. When you
Saquon is Eddie Lake. Stop playing with me, bro.
Here is a blitz, an extra body from Minnesota. Hurts trying to avoid it. He will not. They catch up to him. Philadelphia may have to use
This to be a group thing.
Second half. All right. We should be up. We should be up more. How much was my green screen?
Challenge this middle and deep.
$1,000.
Toss play,
Mason?
Takes it down inside the 35-yard line. Philadelphia's kind of sent it in some makeup and prosthetics. Darius Frost.
Stop. Hold up, bro. Don't get disrespectful. Zach Wilson will never be better than Jalen Hurts, bro. We got a Super Bowl MVP. You talk about Super Bowl MVP. Don't get disrespectful, fam.
So underneath Hawkinson, Bond is there.
3rd and 18. They taking three. Hey, whoever got the Vikings kicker in fantasy, shout out to bro. Cause that's what's that? 3 already? That's got to be at least nine points, right?
At center, with Jurgens dealing with an injury. Deep drop for
Throw that bitch. I love to see the deep ball. You know why? Cause we got the best wide receiver. We got the best wide receiver duo in the league. So whenever that ball in that air, I know one of them is coming down with it. I know this is a completion. We got AJ Brown head topping someone. I guarantee it. Psych, I lied to Smitty. Hey, shout out to Twin, bro. They say that my twin. Shout out to Twin, brother. That's what happens when you air that rock out. Hey, Sirianni, keep calling plays to air that bitch out. Keep calling them plays, bro. They gotta make me put my jersey on in this bitch, bro. I love to see this. This is what I wanted to see, bro. Air that bitch out. Air it out. They be sleeping on us, bro. They say we can't throw the rock, bro. We can throw that rock.
Wentz fires to Naylor.
What the fuck?
He drove that ball on that speed out. It's a big time throw. To get the 11 yards, and now it's Hawkinson.
We good though. That's one first down.
Critical moment in the game here in the second half. So Wentz steps up and delivers to the sideline.
Addison?
Jordan Addison and a first down. Remember, he's got to come set.
Is Carson at wide out?
Wildcat snap. It is Mason to the left. Can he
Hold up.
race there?
Hey, my fault. Someone came in my room. I was like, what the fuck? All right, let me see what happened. Hold. Wildcat.
He looked to be short.
We on that.
Zach Bond running laterally.
Why did I mute? Someone came in my room.
Yeah, trying to play off the Detroit Lions game from the other night against Kansas City.
No, nah, he ain't get that. He ain't get that. He ain't get that.
Oh, you young running
He ain't get
backs,
that.
though, at home.
After replay assistance, the rolling on the field is a touchdown.
Oh, he broke the plane.
That. They ruled this a touchdown?
Other night against
They ruled this a touchdown. They ruled this a touchdown. Ref. What are we talking about, ref? Where?
That's really close.
Where? He didn't score.
Backs, though, at home.
After replay assistance, the rolling on the field.
Bro, I don't know what type of cameras, what type of fix they got the spread. He didn't score. Bro. They all right.
Less than 100 seconds
Hey,
for the
they
third.
called Vegas or something, bro. I swear they called Vegas.
Flag is thrown far side. Hurts throws near side.
Okay, Smitty's on their ass today. Smitty is cooking.
75 seconds for the third, up by 5. Deep drop, looking for something downfield. Hurts for Smith.
Damn.
Holds on despite the Smith hit. There is a
Yeah, that's thank you very much.
Philadelphia will run it.
I got you.
Barkley doesn't have anything there. He
There's your whistle
rushes
sound.
Redmond.
I got the whistle sound, bro.
He's lucky he didn't get called for being offsides.
Yo. We only up fucking 5, bro. That would put us up 8. Yo, if we lose this game, bro, we might have to do some kicker tryouts. I might need some kicker tryouts. I might need some kicker tryouts. Nah, I'm lying. Jake's been tough, but I needed that one. Defense, we need you. And Jordan Addison is wide the fuck open. And Jordan Addison is wide the fuck open. How many times has Jordan been open today, bro?
Another deep drop.
Can we get a bro? What is Jordan Addison's stat line?
On the same side of the field. Wentz looks at that.
Yes. Indeed. How did we? Whoa. They be skipping shit, bro. It's 21-16. I press play. It's 28-19. What just happened? What the fuck just happened? All right, whatever. As long as
maneuvers around the defender and picks up a first down with his leg.
ain't no way. Ain't no way. Carson slow ass Wentz is out here looking like Lamar fucking Jackson. There's no way, right? I'm seeing shit. 3rd and 10. We have him dead to fucking rights.
Stepping up, maneuvers around the defender and picks up a first down with his leg.
Are you serious?
Comes away with a big sack.
Yo, I want every defender that just got cooked in that clip to go home, watch that clip, and think about that for a whole, like, till the next game. Carson Wentz just shook you out your shoes, bro. Out your cleats. Professional athlete. That's crazy work.
So Reichard again.
How'd the score change again? What the fuck? Did I read? Y'all seen that, right?
Hurts. Collapsing pocket. Got away from Turner.
Oh, yeah, Jalen. Oh, yeah, Jalen. Oh, yeah, Jalen. Go ahead and cook the ball. Hold up, bro. Now, we rewatching this. Watch the pocket presence. 3rd and 13. We on that. Okay, clean pocket. Nope. Get out that pocket. Get open, AJ. Yeah, that's the top 5 receiver right there. And throw that bitch up. There goes, bro. Name a better receiver duo in the league, bro. You can't. There go that boy. What the fuck did I say? Give that man the ball. I'm telling you. Give that man the ball. It's not that hard. You give him the ball, we win games. Give 11 the ball.
Keeping his eyes downfield, a simple double post. Devontae Smith holds the safety. AJ Brown's the
nah, bro.
Jordan Addison with 100.
Evans and Godwin are not better than Smitty and
Wentz's favorite target so
AJ.
far in this last month, and sure enough, on cue, he steps out near midfield. It's a first down. 3 points in general.
We up 9. This is 2 possessions. This game is over. We up 2. We up 2.
He's gonna take off again, and he's gonna pick up another first down.
Every Eagles loss, that's crazy work.
They're gonna run it. 2 yards for the game, and they're gonna get it to Addison, and he's out of bounds.
Addison gotta have 10 catches today. Addison has to have 10 catches today. Whatever, bro. The game's over. Y'all need an onside kick. I don't care if y'all score. Y'all need an onside kick. Finally learn how to tackle today. Wandale and Slayton is crazy work. That is not it, brother. That is not it. 3rd and 9. Ice the game. What we got? y'all were saying something about AJ Brown. Y'all were saying something. I just wanted to know if y'all still had something to say about AJ Brown. I was just curious because all he's doing is winning games. And look at that Jalen Hurts stat line, by the way. 18, 22, 281 yards, 3 TDs. Oh, my fault. My fault. I'm just saying. People was talking shit. I'm just saying. People were talking shit.
To lead the rest of the clock, they still have a remaining timeout.
Yeah, this game.
Every second out of this. So he's going to stay tall. And they still haven't gotten him down. Forward progress now gets
Bro, this game, bro. This game.
It's about right there. There it is, down to 2 seconds. That is the key number of this ball game today. Welcome those who
that's
watch
game.
other game.
Yeah, that's game. All right. Another Eagles win. Y'all haters can... Shh. Hey, Giants, we coming for y'all next week. I promise you we not losing. I'll bet the house on it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. More reaction videos on the way. Till next time. Deuces.